Today on Enso Homestead, we're making a fire pit. It's extremely important to ensure that there's nothing flammable or combustible inside a propane tank before you cut it open. That way there's no risk of explosion or hurting yourself. There's all kinds of stuff online, YouTube videos on how to properly ensure that there's nothing in the propane tank. I'm not going to go into that today. This one's been sitting out for quite some time. It's pretty safe. I can see inside of it. There's no liquid in it. There's no vapor in it. I'll probably put, a vacuum and some other things in here just to be sure, but I'm pretty confident that this one we can cut open.